Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11 to version 2 for H2. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. You will see check for update option over here. Click on check for update and then you will see Windows 11 version 2 for H2 and you should be able to download and install it from here. But if you don't see the update over here, in that case you can go to Microsoft website, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website you will see Windows 11 installation assistant. Now click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and if update is available you will see accept and install option. So click on accept and install and let the process complete. Now once this is 100% complete, once it is complete, now you can restart your computer and you should be able to update your Windows 11 to 24H2. But still you are unable to update. In that case you can use media creation tool. So
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install version 2 for H2 successfully in your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.